Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this DIY sticker art bracelet making set, but let's go and get right into this. Okay, so this is a close-up, everything that comes in here.
And it comes with this cute little book. And you can collect your favorite stickers and stuff.
So those things have stickers on them.
Yeah, see? You.
Cool. Okay, so what are you gonna make?
Okay, so what is it? Okay, so there can be rares, there can be... Do you normally keep the dogs whenever they come in to love on you in the videos?
No.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Her head's being cut off. Her Scarlett's head is right in the middle of her head.
What?
It's not even on your head.
I know.
It's like right here.
It's because she has a big head. Okay. So how do these actually work? So those are stickers
Yeah.
and you can take them off?
Yeah.
Is it one sticker per thing?
No.
So it's multiple?
Yeah.
And then you can just take them off?
Take them. There's like different ones, like mermaid ones.
So that's how these stickers come in each thing. Wow.
That's it.
Okay, so that's how many stickers come in each bracelet. And what do? You just take them off and put them in the book?
So it comes with 11 in each thing, and you take them and you put them inside of this book. Hold on, let me find the number. You go to the category, so you put the extras right here.
You can collect all these like that.